Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Concepts of Management. In this module, we will cover the subject Consumer Behavior, and today we will be dealing with the chapter Introduction to Consumer Behavior, where we will cover these topics. These are definition of consumer behavior, nature of consumer behavior, scope of consumer behavior, application of consumer behavior, and importance of consumer behavior. First of all, we will try to understand the term consumer, which can be defined as those individuals who purchase commodities for deriving utilities and using them to satisfy their needs. मीन्स अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल किसी सामान को उपयोग में लाने के लिए खरीद रहा हो और उसे यूज़ या कंज्यूम करके अपने ज़रूरत को पूरा कर रहा हो तो वैसे लोग कंज्यूमर कहे जाएंगे. Now let it make it clear with an example. Suppose a lady, she bought a Coke and she drank it. Here she will be regarded as a consumer because she is really consuming that Coke. Now in another instance, she bought a Coke and instead of drinking it, she bought and sold it. Here she won't be considered as a consumer because here she is not consuming that Coke. Here we learnt that consumers are the end user of a product. So if someone is buying a product and he or she is not using it, then she or he won't be considered as a consumer. We should always remember, consumers are not the customers. Now let's get into the meaning of behavior. The way one acts towards something, that is called behavior. For example, baby cries when he is hungry. Here crying is the action towards hunger. Now let's move into the definition of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is the study of how individuals, groups, and organizations select, buy, use, and dispose of goods and services, ideas, or experiences to satisfy their needs and wants. सिंपल शब्दों में कहें तो हम यहाँ पे कंज्यूमर के बिहेवियर यानी कि व्यवहार को जानने की कोशिश करते हैं, जहाँ पे हमारा स्टडी फोकस्ड रहता है कि कंज्यूमर क्या खरीद रहा है, वह क्यों किसी सामान को खरीद रहा है, वह कब कब किसी सामान को खरीदता है, वह कहाँ से किसी सामान को खरीदता है और कितने मात्रा यानी कि कितनी अमाउंट में उस सामान को खरीदता है. Now let's move towards the next topic, that is nature of consumer behavior. And the first nature of consumer behavior is it is a systematic process. Consumer behavior is a systematic process relating to buying decisions of the consumers. The buying process consists of the following steps: need identification to buy the product, information search relating to the product, listening and evaluating the alternative, purchase decision, and post-purchase evaluation by the marketer. Next is it is influenced by various factors. Consumer behavior is influenced by a number of factors. The factors that influence consumer include personal, psychological, situational, social, and cultural. And we will see this topic in detail in the upcoming module. The third nature of consumer behavior is that it is different for different customers. Means हर कस्टमर्स एक दूसरे से अलग होते हैं और उनके बिहेवियर में भी कुछ अंतर रहता है. All consumers do not behave in the same manner. Different consumers behave differently. The difference in consumer behavior is due to individual factors such as nature of the consumer's lifestyle, culture, age, etc. For example, while buying a dress, a child may go for a colorful dress while a teenager may go for a trendy dress. The next nature of consumer behavior is that it is different for a different product. Consumer behavior is different for different products. There are some consumers who may buy more quantity of certain items and very low quantity of some other items. For example, a student may spend more of his money on buying a study material for his academics rather than buying products for entertainment. Now, next nature of consumer behavior is that it undergoes a change. The consumer behavior undergoes a change over a period of time depending upon changes in age, education and income level, etc. For example, my buying preference for books changed over the time from storybooks to business and self-help books. Now, the next very important nature of consumer behavior is brand loyalty. Consumers have a tendency to buy products and services from a certain organization which they may like due to certain reasons. They develop a brand loyalty towards these organizations and tend to buy only their products even if their rival is performing better in the market. For example, if someone's car was Honda City which lasted for very long, then he or she may go for Honda City again. So that is it for today. See you in the next video. Take care.